from Government College, University, Lahore in history. I have completed my thesis under supervision of Dr. Farzana Arshad. The title of my thesis is A Cultural History of Walled City, a case study of Bharti Gate from 20th century to the present times. My research seeks to inquire how modernization has changed cultural outlook of Bharti Gate from 20th century to the present times, focusing on infrastructure, inhabitants, and festivals during the transition period. It specifically focuses on cultural changes of Bharti Gate in result of modernization and also inquires the reason behind the transition. Modernity has affected the culture of Bharti Gate from 20th century to the present times and transformed the traditions. Bharti Gate is an old part of Lahore city. This place holds a special place in the historical aspect of the city. The conqueror left their marks here. One after another conquest made it most diverse area of the modern day Lahore. With so much to offer, only little research has been done. This study aims to explore the variety of cultures, traditions, festivals and everyday hustle this place enjoyed and how the modernity has played role in transition of culture of Bharti Gate. It has affected the culture, traditions, values, architecture, their modes of entertainment and their everyday routines to follow the trends and remain with the changing world. The people have struggled and strived. Whereas as an area, Bharti Gate has suffered a lot. It has lost its past glory as it was once called the Chelsea of Lahore. Most of the significant features of old culture have disappeared during the time. People have been modernized and the old customs and traditions are replaced by modern. In past, people used to live in simple and small houses. They used traditional methods for building of houses. British imperialism of Punjab and Lahore, they introduced modernized construction technology for building of houses and new lifestyle. The modern technology and aesthetics has changed the structure and lifestyle of people residing in Bharti Gate. In result of it, people have started adopting new lifestyle and many of all residents of Bharti Gate have shifted their houses to the modern housing society. Bharti Gate was called the Chelsea of Lahore because it was the residential place of many prominent actors, writers, poets, kabaddi players and many intellectuals. Concluding the work, the advancement in technology and fast-pacing world has made us forget about the basic traditions and the values of our distinct culture. The Bharti Gate of today has lost its tradition and culture all along. Bharti Gate now poses upon us time kind of story. The legacy is lost. The concept of residence, special architecture, distinct living style, reciprocated values of celebration, the beauty of variations among the occupation and their contribution to the highlighting of Bharti Gate is all lost. It wouldn't be wrong to say that it was the area of the boiling pot of talent and innovation in almost all the fields of arts and entertainment.